Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2017 Toyota Sienna with some great exterior features that include front and rear bumper sensors, along with 3M protective film on the hood, fenders, and mirrors. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we have gray leather interior. This Sienna also comes with dual sunroofs, all-weather floor mats, power windows, and memory seat adjustments. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right we have our cruise at the bottom. This Sienna has 55,000 kilometers. Over on the left side here we've got your parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, along with your heated steering wheel button. Over on the touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, navigation, along with a backup camera. Right below that we have our tri-zone climate controls. Down below here we have these switches for your heated seats and your DVD player. For access to your rear seats, you could use the door handle, but there's also a convenient button on your key fob. Once that's open, you can see we have more gray leather interior, along with a large DVD player and a second sunroof. We also have all-weather floor mats and these seat pouches. For access to the third row, we just lift up on this tab here and the seat will fold and slide forward for you. This Sienna also comes with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see that with the third row folded up, we still have plenty of storage space, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down. To close the liftgate, we could use the key fob again, but there's also an additional button up top. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2017 Toyota Sienna with some great interior features that include a heated steering wheel, heated seats, all-weather floor mats, and a DVD player. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.